Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel and this is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog, ay babalikan muna from last year's Lenten 2024 special ng Eid Bulaga. But subscribe to our YouTube channel kung saan pag-like, shares, comments, at views at aabuti ng 500. Isupport natin sa ating social media accounts. For today's video ay EB Lenten 2024 last year for 3 to 6. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Mga natin ang highlights. Okay, papakain muna natin ang video from last year's vlog year 2024. Catch this! Una naman natin ay Holy Monday. Yan ay Zelda na kahapon. Starring Joey De Leon, Alan Kay, Jose tuloy, Wally Bayola, Paulo Ballesteros, and Karen Ainstra with James Blanco, Eunice, Janine, and Lance of Mr. Cutie Grand Winner. The story all about sa Zelda. Zelda ng bahay na Zelda. Kung saan nakulong sa Zelda na kulungan kasi Zelda. Kaya the story of Julian led by Joey De Leon. At yung iba may Brenda, di ko alam kung mga name of Ron mo. Pero nasa kulungan ng tatlong characters ni na Wally, Paulo, and Alan Kay, while si Karen ay si Lisa. Yung kapatid ni Paulo naman. Kaya, yan, kwento yan. And then, napapatawad from their parts of lives sa Zelda. Also starring James Blanco and directed by Gino M. Santos. Holy Tuesday, Love Thy Neighbor starring May Mendoza, Bryson May Dizon, Jose Marano, and Tito Soto. The story of in a tindera or yung may business. Parang BAT Pares ang pangalan ng karinderya. Kung meron tayong may lugi na yung mga person, paano may patawad ba? Hindi. Sabi ni Jose Manalo yung role ni Jose. While napapatawad ba kaya for the second chance in his or her lives. Also, part of the Love Thy Neighbors are Shara Soto, Kenji, Attack, at iba pa. Directed by Gino Santos. And for Holy Wednesday, all about Paradigma Caminot with starring Vic Soto, Miles Ocampo, Atasha Mulak, and Ryan Aguncillo. With also in a part are Taser Cruz III and Icy Guerra. Sorry. The story of Alexis, led by Miles Ocampo, yung tate niya ni Alexis ay si Tirso Cruz III, sa ron niya. Kung gusto ko ng para di makakalimot na role ni Vic Soto na mapapatawad ba kaya na second chance in his or her life na meron din yung chances, meron tayo forgive and forgiveness. Kaya director by Random Lohead. Hindi ba din yung last name ni Random Lodejas? Para naman natin yan. O yan, eto na. Last year's EB Lenten Special 2024, after skipping from 2020 to 2023, nagbalik ang Eid Bulaga Lenten Special 2024 last year, after 5 years of waiting, that the TBJ production, formerly from TP Corporated, and Unitel Straight Shooters presenting the EB Lenten Special last year are Zelda na kahapon, yan, Love Thy Neighbor, and Para Di Makalimot. For Zelda na kahapon, sila Joey De Leon, Paulo Ballesteros, Wally Bayola, Alan Kay, and Karen Ainstra with Mr. James Blanco. for Love Thy Neighbor, we have Miss May Mendoza Ataide, Riza May Dizon, Jose Manalo, and Tito Soto with Attack and Shara Soto. And for para di makalimon, Vic Soto, Atasha Mulak, Miles Ocampo, and Ryan Gusina with Tilser Cruz III and Ice Sigera. Yan, last year yan. Okay, and here are my top 3, 2, and 1 from last year. My top 3 is Zelda na kahapon. Medyo kwentong, Zelda. Parang prinsesa ng City Jail. Just, that Paolo's role is bida, and si James ay kaibigan ni Rudy sa Zelda. Ay, top 3. Congrats. The top 2 is, naisip ako. The top 2 is, para di makalimot. Sorry. That, the mentioned story of, of Dingdong, tapos si Marvin, tapos si Alexis, si Miles Ocampo. Medyo programa sa dementia ni Dingdong. At na yun, okay na siya. And the top 1 for me is Love Thy Neighbor, at si May, si April, si Tweetots, at si Bado, and para si April. Yung kwentong panglulutong Pinoy, yung mga may gusto ko mag-restaurant for the family and others. Kaya, hope you enjoy sa ating latest vlog. And see you on Sunday. Yan ang ating recap from last year. See you on Sunday. Bye. God bless.